A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me some. You have ears? You can't hear? You hear with the Spirit. I said to the church them, think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below now, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not subscribe yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 2 from verse 1 to verse 7. And then the man when me did see said to me, say, write down the message, send go give the leader for the church we in a Ephesus. Tell him, say, this are the one where all the 7 star them in him right hand, and we walk amongst the gold sitting for all candle. I fi say, me know everything about you. Me know all when you go through cause you believe in me. And how you turn up strong and not give up when trouble take you. Me know say you can't take the wicked people them. You test the one them we talk about say them are apostle when them are no apostle. And find out say them are all liar. You turn up strong and not give up when trouble take you. And you don't go through enough sufferation. Sake of how you believe in me. And you always follow me. You never get tired and give up. But me still have sitting against you. You no love one another the way you used to when you did first believe in me. So remember how far you drop back from the love you used to have for one another. Turn away from your sin and start do the sin them when you used to do when you did just get saved. If you not do that, I will come take away no gold sitting when you use for all candle from where there. But you have one good sitting about you know. Same like how me eat the sitting them where the Nicolaitan people them a do. A same way you eat them too. All who can hear better listen when the Holy Spirit has said to the church them. Anybody will beat the devil and not give into the sitting them where him want them to do, I will give them the right to eat from the tree where give life. Where in a God garden where they are heaven. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.